dami nilang mga old stuff. Tinapon niya. Yes, look at this one. That one, look at that.
Oh, honey, would you please plug my phone in?
No, not that.
I love you if you plug my phone in.
Okay, what did you have?
It's an old camera.
What kind of camera? Tell me what brand. Ano ko, hindi ko alam kung uuwi ako.
Okay,
Kasi,
ako.
Hindi ko.
Good morning, Philippines! You need to pick up one of those while we're out.
What?
Alcohol, green alcohol.
I have one in the house.
No, I got one. It's almost nothing left in it.
In the house?
In the bathroom upstairs.
No, I have one downstairs.
Okay, put one upstairs.
Good morning with Tommy, guys. Look at it.
Morning, guys. They're cheap enough. It's alcohol. It's good to have for all kinds of things. How much?
71.
Okay. Yeah, mine wears down quicker because you gotta remember all those noises mine makes from all the cameras and scrap.
Yeah.
Sucks the life out of the battery.
I'm wearing Tommy's pajama. Look. It's so big.
Because I'm a big fat moose.
Hold on.
What? She's so pushy.
Pushy? Not pushy.
Pushy.
Han, that's a bad word, Han.
Pushy little things.
That's a bad word you said. Why you say that? Huh? Do you like...
Yes, I don't use
Do you
it.
like...
Hey, hi, hon. You know what, guys?
What's
I
he
know Misty wants to pay because
I'm gonna make Tommy the crunchy, the
yeah,
pork belly,
yeah.
guys. So I'm gonna do that. And do Roxy like this and pretend that you're looking, and then you get. She doesn't like it. You like why you cover your face. Look at me. Look at her. And then cover your face.
Yes, good.
She is on you hurt her?
I didn't hurt her.
That's Roxy, guys. She wants to be like eye to eye look, but once you cover your eyes, she doesn't like it. Roxy. She doesn't like it.
What?
Kisses, give mama a kiss. If you wanna go out, give me a kiss.
That's good.
I love you.
Me too. You're good.
I thought I'm going alone. Ay nako. That's not because of you, Tommy. He's feeding the birds. Crazy, look at him. Hindi lang dito, guys. Hindi lang sa bahay namin, dito din. You're crazy, Tommy, moy.
Put them over there.
Huh?
Put them over here.
Ayan na yung mga... Kasi andito yung kapatid ni Tommy, diba? Ang dami nilang mga old stuff. Tinapon niya. Naglinis kasi siya dito. Tinapon yung mga dapat itapon. They're hiding everywhere.
Maybe they're just not hungry. Maybe somebody else in the neighborhood start feeding them. That'd be good.
Grocery muna kami, guys. Coming here, guys, yung daan ang laki ng butas because of the plow. To ruin it. It's like big. Roxy cannot even lie down properly and just relax because if like it's bounce like
Ruin your car.
that's what I said, ruin the car, but it's like one time big thing in the middle. Yeah. Meron silang saging. Oh, tignan nyo naman. Kukuha ako. Why you're getting that? Tignan nyo guys. Lutuin natin to. Lutuin ko to. Ito slow sa ano. No, I don't like that. I like the other, just a regular roll. Where did you get? You know, expensive here. How much it is? It's right here. $2.99.
No,
Yeah. Punta tayo sa Asian, guys. Asian section right here. They don't have a cook one yet.
Not ready for it.
No, they don't have it. Have a good lamb over there.
Where?
Over there, I guess. Look at this one. That one. Look at that. So nice. It's nice, right? Look at that. How much is it? Oh my god, $6 for that? 16 bucks. No, you don't get that. It's nice too. Is this beef too? Yeah, beef. This is nice. What?
$8 per pound.
Yeah.
That's crazy much for that.
Ito guys, pork belly nila guys. Get that. Pork belly. Look at this. They don't have lamb here.
They do have lamb.
No, they don't have. That's what happened guys. I'm just gonna wait for him. Kasi yun yung mangyayari palagi. Forever and ever, amen. We are done. Ito siya guys. Ito yung binili namin. Let's go, sir. Sir? 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 This guy, I call you, but you don't listen. Yeah, I did. Huh? I don't want to yell at you.
You're shy or something.
I don't yell at you. Oh, you let Tommy to do everything. Tommy is not lazy, guys. No, I have a big one. I have every small one. The woman is driving. Like driving fast. And then I run before he get there. And then I laugh. I look at her and then I smile.
It makes him nervous.
I look at her and I smile. She just smiles. I run like funny run. It's like run like a goofy one, ba? Makes them not
spicy from there?
No.
Probably.
What kind of spicy over here? They have tender spice?
We got spicy tenders, I think.
Just okay, then we cannot go over there. Whatever.
Well, Burger King, you got 2 for $6. You want a Whopper too, or you don't want a Whopper too?
Why are you smoking again?
I'm asking you a question. Why you keep ignoring the question?
Because you don't have a question. You're asking.
That's the question.
I don't know, nuggets or wafers. Wafers, I don't want a wafers. I just want a tenders and a nuggets. Maybe 5 nuggets.
Hey, what's McDonald's famous burger?
Burger? The one that with the
What's it called?
McDonald's?
Yeah.
Macdo burger.
The Big Mac?
The Big Mac.
What's Burger King's famous burger?
Burger King Mac.
The Whopper.
No. Burger King Mac. What the frick, Tommy? You are making me stupid. You really does make me
How
stupid.
often do we go to Burger King? You think you would know by now?
Expensive houses, guys. Ito yung train station na palagi kong sinasakyan every time I go to work. This is right there. Pilums. Pilum. This is not Pilum Street, it's Pilum Town. Right?
Yeah.
We're in Burger King. Burger King. They have spicy stuff over there. Spicy 10 pieces nuggets. Spicy right there. Dito guys. Guys, kakaiba kasi dito guys kapag pumunta ka sa mga ganito, ikaw yung maglinis sa table. Look. And then iligay mo yung garbage. In the Philippines, they don't do it. Yeah, but over here, no, you have to do it yourself.
Well, not everywhere.
Yeah.
You don't come in and get food. Come in and look at me like I should be giving you something.
Eh. Did Dada give you some water? Dada give you water, right? Dada give you water? You ready to see Dimple, right? Diba? We're gonna go up. We're gonna go later, okay? We're gonna go later. We're gonna go later. Say hi to them. You vlog with me all the time. Look at that guy over there. Look at him. He's a good looking. Did you check your kids in the house? Your two daughters.
No. 2 daughters? Huh?
Yes,
Really?
it's 2 daughters. Alis na naman kami guys. Kaluka tong si Tami. Kanina pa tong nag-ayang umalis patungo sa CVS, yung pharmacy. And then, ang tagal. It's always like shopping online.
Shopping online.
Kaluka. Naging katulad na siya ng ina niya. Online siya pahulit. And so, you call them?
So I called them this way. She said, oh, we'll let you know when they're ready, but I just want them to start working on it so I can go there and they can.
We don't get the mail yet.
Oh shit.
Not yet.
No, it's not there yet. Yeah, plug this in. Plug this in.
See something makes me do it.
I said thank you.
No.
Oh honey, would you please plug my phone in?
No, not that.
I love you if you plug my phone in.
Dramahan mo Tami. That's what happened guys. There is a guy that in our side just keep moving into our lane. It's really, it's almost hit Tommy. Almost hit this car. It doesn't even look at the other lane, right?
Yeah, that's all the time.
Look at that. Don't go crazy.
2 lanes because he wants me in 2 lanes.
Yeah.
Decide which one he wants to be in. Nobody else can go by him until he figures it out.
I wish somebody will like a broken car and hit that car.
I go buy him right with it. Yeah, that's a brand new car. Look at the paint on it. I think it's brand new.
What he's doing?
I don't know about it.
You guys, dahil nasunog yung tindahan nila, ito, naging trailer yung tindahan. Mga medication lang ito, right, hon?
Yeah.
This is just a medication. Matagal na itong sunog, pero hindi pa naaayo. Hindi pa na, ano ba, na okay yung ano nila. Naiyak ako sa the talk.
I'm not. This?
Yes. That I have something to watch when I'm home. Because I miss my husband. It's my baby. Did you even use it?
You did.
No, I mean when I wasn't here.
Okay,
tell them what you have.
So you put it here like this.
Okay, what did you have?
It's an old camera.
What kind of camera? Tell me what brand.
Kodak, I think.
Kodak? That's really old Kodak.
I don't even know. It may not be the brand. Yeah, Kodak. Jiffy.
Kodak. Show me.
Kodak
How
Jiffy.
did you take a shot using that?
You open this like this. You got the leg here to stand it like this. If you're gonna do it like that to stand it up to keep it still, you have this thing here where you look through it to see.
This is where you look?
Yeah, or if you're just holding it, this is where you look like this.
It's over here. You look down here.
This.
This is not just the old camera, guys. They have few old cameras. This is good for like display. Old cameras. There is more in the other house. Oh, look, Tommy, guys, when he was young. Won't focus. What is look, Tommy, guys, when he is so young? How old are you? This 20 plus?
Yeah, 20 something.
Look at guys, his Tommy, guys, he's so good looking. Why you like that? When I was not even alive. I will. I think I am already.
I don't think so.
You're 25 gapan. Nagbitay pa ko sa itlog sa papa. Nagpabitay-bitay pa, nagano-gano pa pa. This is done. And I think this is done. 5:16. Ang bango pa rin ang buhok. Hindi ko alam kung uuwi ako kasi bukas is ano na naman ang biyanan ko. So baka dito na lang ako. Hindi pa alam ni Tami na yung ano ko, hindi ko alam kung uuwi ako.
Kasi
ako hindi ko anuhan ko na hindi ako uuwi.
Oh, not now.
Gabi.
Oh, not now.
Tagalog challenge yan.
That's ridiculous. I don't understand any of it other than challenge. It's like guessing.
Yeah. You guess and you answer and whatever.
That's ridiculous.
So, hindi ako uwihan. Paano na yung pusa mo? Han?
Yeah.
So, kakain kami. Hindi pa niya alam kasi napag-anuhan ko na dito na. Ha?
What do you think is done?
Your thing.
Sauce? The gravy?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's just sitting there and keep warm. It's on low.
Good. Ang alam niya, uuwi ako dahil sa ano niya, sa pusa niya doon. Kasi nag-alala siya sa pusa. Pero hindi niya alam na ihatid ko lang yung biyanan ko and then uwi na rin ako kasi yung pusa dapat alagaan, walang pagkain doon, you know, alam na. No, the table need to be cleaned up.
Here's nipples.
You said? How about Hubs?
I see one. Look.
Where's Hubs? That's Dimples?
I think.
Time check. Ano ng oras, guys? 6:40. Hindi ko alam. Uy, naawa ako sa pusa. Hey.
Did you not plug that in?
No, I need your charger.
It's in the laptop.
Hindi ako uuwi.
In the zoo?
Hindi ako uuwi ngayong gabi. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is dito ako matutulog. Mag-jerjer tayong dalawa.
Yeah, okay. Hon, it's not good if you want to run around the neighborhood naked. It's just not good.
Naked? Naked? That's a good looking. Wait, why you don't change your thing? So he want me to leave early. Are you pushing me?
I'm not pushing it over.
Hmm?
I'm not pushing it over.
Hindi pa rin niya alam. Han, hindi mo pa alam ba? Hindi ako uwi ba?
Hon, I can't answer these. I mean, look, you're saying stuff that I can't even guess at.
Han, uy.
Hon,
Hindi ako uwi ngayong gabi.
Hon, it's
So,
not
ready
even-
ka na ba tayo mamaya?
I think no, hindi ba
Hotdog?
It's like I'm trying to speak.
Kalog ka naman ito, Stami. What are they doing right now?
Look at your kids
What are they doing?
sleeping.
Lying down, sleeping. Okay guys, I'm going to end the vlog. I end up staying here. And sinabi ko na kay Tami. Bye, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, salamat ha sa inyo na talagang naniniwala at nanonood palagi dito sa ating channel and sa suporta ninyo, yung mga taong talagang nagsusupport sa akin. Salamat. I appreciate it and I hope I will see you in my next one. And please don't forget to like this video and yeah, so if you like to subscribe, you can subscribe. If you don't feel like it, it's okay. Just like the video and yeah, thank you guys. Bye. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Ano na pala namin ni Tami yung sa renewal ng green card ko. So, hintay na lang ako ng tawag sa USCIS kung kailan yung biometric ko kasi hindi pa ako nag-apply ng mga citizenship na yan. Wala pa ako sa talagang mag-apply. And okay naman yung green card. Wala naman problema. 10 years, parang ganun lang yung green card. So, 10 years. Can you imagine? 10 years, 11 years na ako dito. 11 years siya. 10 years, 11 years siya. Kasi may extend mga 1 year. 18, hold on guys ha. I-count natin. Bago natin i-end ito. 2008. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, 11 this coming 9. March 9. Mag 11 years tayo dito. Hala, uy, ang tagal ko na dito, guys. Grabe. 11 years. Yes, bye, guys.